You're going to need 2 pounds of red cabbage. You can weigh it in the store if you don't have a home scale. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon or 1/8, depends on your taste, of allspice. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of shredded apple. I don't have a 1/2 cup of shredded apple, so I'm using apple cider. I put in 1 cup already. You're going to need a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I used a whole 1/2 cup because I want this to be tangy. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of red onion, which is in there, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So at least you have a cup or more of liquid in the Instapot. So I have vinegar and cider, and I have about 1.5 cups in there. My tip is, when you're cutting on a cutting board or wooden counter, use these plastic cutting boards or another type of cutting board that won't stain the board red. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now that everything is in the Instapot, you put the lid on. And when you put the lid on, sometimes you can hear a little tune. I like to mark the arrows with a little bit of white out so I know it's lined up. You put the release pressure knob to the upper left corner. You're going to put pressure cook. Now, you can do it between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how soft you want it. I want it to cook for 10 minutes because I like it really soft. It will take about 15 minutes to build up pressure. So the Instapot is off. When the peg goes down, you know that the pressure is out. And you take off the lid. Nice and steamy. Smells very good. I can smell the allspice. When you buy cooked cabbage that is in a jar at the store, it has spices in it. It has vinegar in it. And that's not to be confused with pickled cabbage. We're going to have this tonight with some spare ribs. This cabbage goes with chicken cutlets, pork, anything if you eat meat. Now some people don't eat meat, so you can leave it out. Just have a vegetarian meal. I'm going to try some. It's very soft, very good. It's not over pungent at all. The recipe will be in the More box underneath the title. Thank you for watching.